All right, we just got this in the mail. It's a WOLFANG action camera. Let's make life more fun. It's a GA200. All right, I did get another one of these, which was a GA420. But let's take a look at this one. Gotta pop that open. I think this slides out. There we go. There's some information here. You can, email them there. And they have a number of different action cameras. Comes with a quick start guide and a user's manual. Let's set those to the side. Also, it does come with 2 batteries. Set that there. And usually these batteries do have a little charge in them, so you can use them right away. All right. Here's the camera itself. And it comes in a waterproof case, as you can see. It looks good. I like it. It does have all this extra stuff you got to kind of peel off here to, if I can get it off of there. Oh my God. Anyway, let's take a look at it. This should pop open this way, but maybe I gotta press this or move this. Yeah, there we go. So I had to move this to the side this way, get it to open, and then we just, bam, and here's the camera. This is I think the more inexpensive model. We got to get this stuff off of it before you use it. And as you can see, it doesn't want to come off easy, does it? See that little tab? You're supposed to be able to grab it and then pull it. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right, so we got that. This one's got one here. This is the front-facing screen right there. This is 4K 24 megabyte camera. This one will be easy to get off. And on the side here, you can see you've got a spot for your micro SD card. You've got a spot for a USB-C, and then I think that's an HDMI outlet. But that seems like it's pretty simple, right? All right, so this is the bottom where you got to open it up. So I think we just pop it to the side like that. You just kind of pull it right here, watch. And it opens up. And then we can go ahead and put one of these in. If you look, you'll see the contacts are right, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, the contacts are right there. So you just got to match the battery up to the contact, just like that. And you got to kind of give it a push. And then slide this down and then push it over. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we've got to see our universal on button, which I do believe is right here. So if we press that, it should come on. Now we want to set it up. So we're definitely going to do English, right? It is the 2004, it's January, and I believe it is the 28th. And you can change that by going like that. Day, month, year. I think I'm going to do, I'm going to do month, day, year. Okay, I'm good there. Now I got to do the time. That's good. All right, setup's complete. Bam, Bob's your uncle. It's kind of nice because it is touchscreen, so that kind of saves us. If you look here, we're on video. The microphone is on. We got a full battery. This is your settings. This is you press this if you want to watch the video, and it's telling me I'm on 4K 30 frames per second, which I believe you can change that. If we click here, it takes you to the settings. And if you want to look at video resolution, you can change it. Right now it's at the highest level, but I do believe it goes down to 720. Yeah, you can do 720, you can do 1080, you can do 2.7, and I would just leave it at 4K 30 frames. If I click here, I'm going to get, the the different things that we can do. You can hear it's beeping. If I want to change the sounds, I could do that. Let's go back. Let's say I want to go to the angle and change it. I'm on wide, but you could go medium or narrow, and that's, you know, basic. That's your 3 choices. It's got diving mode. Let's take a look at that. On or off. Yeah, we'll leave it off for now. Effects, distortion, microphone. The microphone, I do believe, is built in, but you can use an external microphone, which I think they have in here. Go back. I got to start all over again to go down. Well, all these things, you know, a lot of them you don't really, you need to format the card, of course, when you first put it in. So let's grab a card and put it in there. All right, I think that we can use a SanDisk 128. I'm pretty sure. Usually the card would go in facing the front like this. So I would slide it in like this. But I could be wrong. Yep, it looks like we might have to go in like this. You're going to have to feel, oh yeah, there we go. So it should just set in there like that. So so you guys know, let's go back. So you know, the back screen, you're going to have the facing, it's going to face the back screen, and you're going to slide it right in there like that. And then you got to take your thumbnail, you got to kind of push it down. All right, so now we're in, okay? So let's go ahead and tap that again. Let's tap that. Let's tap that. All right, we got to hold on because it turned itself off. All right, so now it's showing that we have a card in there, but we need to format it. So let's go ahead and format it. So we got to go all the way to the bottom. Now it may say no on it, which means it's already formatted or doesn't have any data. But let's just take a look. Oh, okay, so it says format. All right, all data on this card will be deleted. Okay, cool. All right, so now it's formatting the card. All right, bam, we just formatted our card. Now we're ready to go. This camera is ready to do some video. If I press this, let's go back. If I press this right now, you can see we're on video. We're at 4K 30 frames. If I press this, it's going to videotape. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it, and you're going to see a little red ball. Oh, there it is, red ball, and it's doing the countdown. And now we're videotaping ourselves. All right, let's stop it. And then all I got to do is press here to play it. And then we hit that. And there it is. This is what we just shot. It's having a hard time focusing. All right, and if we want to get rid of it, we hit that, and then we got to hit that again. And it says delete all files. Yep, I'm going to delete them all. Bam. All right, so that's that. And then to get back to your regular screen, we go here. And then if you want to put it back into its case, you just slip her in like that. Take this and push it around. Bring this over. Pop it down, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And then you can shoot by pressing here. This is your on button. And then you've got a couple toggle buttons over here where you can make it, you know, you can do a couple different things with it. So that's basically the camera there, right? Let's go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to press and hold, and then it goes off, right? Turn it on, I just press and hold. Comes right on. I want to shoot, I shoot. Bam, it's going. I stop it. Bam, it's done. Now all the touchscreen stuff you can't do because it's in this case. But if you're going to go, you know, if you're going to be shooting something underwater, you're probably going to pull the camera out later and do all that. All right, so that's basically the camera there. Let's go ahead and turn it off for right now. And I'm going to set it here. And then it comes with these accessories. And it's basically, I think, all the same stuff that you usually get. But what's interesting with this is I do believe you get some extra stuff. All right, that's everything. So let's take a look and see what we got. All right, we got these little things you can put on your Oh, look at this. This is, you can put this and then on your, for if you're just going to shoot without the case, in regular life, you could use that. This is a battery charger that you can charge the batteries with. You can put them in there and then just plug it in. This is another door. Here's another one of the pads for like a surfboard. Here's a connector that slides into the pad, something for the bike, and a bunch of these little connectors that you may need. It also comes with a remote. It's got a wristband on it if you want to use that. And here is the microphone. So it does come with an external microphone, which is kind of cool. I can get it open. There it is, look, external microphone. So you can use this with the camera. And if you want to put this on, it's got like a little thing here where you just kind of clip it on your lapel. And yeah, set that over there. And this, if you look at it, you see how it is. It's a USB-C, so it would go on the USB-C on the side of the camera. And that's everything that comes in the box. Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot. It's got a USB-C. It's got a USB-C cord that comes with it right here. So for charging, but you don't get a charging block. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.